In her rage, the report read, she grabbed a gun and shot him multiple times. She couldn't remember how many rounds she let off. 2 young boys in the home, believed to be their sons, heard the commotion and came to see what happened. One was eating Chinese food in his room across the hall listening to music. Meanwhile, the other was sitting in the living room. Coming to investigate at different times, one saw Malcom with a gun in her hand and spotted the husband bleeding from his shoulder.
Remember to subscribe.
Well, go on YouTube. Big up all of the subscribers and big up all of the viewers. And if you haven't subscribed yet to Jamaica Extra, do yourself a favor and subscribe. Yes, man. So, but they want kind of do things different pan the story. This a story recently happened on August 31st. It's a year a Florida woman was charged with the murder of her husband, and she told police that she was at her wit's end. So the man that cheat out on her every minute and be an infidelity. So she take it upon herself to shoot the man and kill him. Yeah, her name is Denise Malcom, and this story happened in Coral Springs, Florida. And she shoot the man while the children were at home. Now, you can tell me something. You can be so upset if you shoot somebody and you pick them in the house and but it's just a crazy scenario and a crazy situation going with this one here. And, you know, me not surprised if you go see it on the show name Snap with the woman them and kill the man them. But it happen on both sides still, you know, people. And me not condone violence like this, especially when a situation where somebody take somebody's life over cheating allegations. But I want to go ahead and play what the Miami Herald say, and then we're going to talk about this in a little while. So here I know.
Woman kills husband at Broward home, citing years of infidelity and deceit. Police. Years of infidelity and lies led a woman to take matters into her own hands by killing her husband at their Broward home over the Labor Day weekend, she detailed officers. An unexpected vacation and one final argument Saturday evening pushed her over the edge. Denise Malcom, 45, had known for the past 2 years her husband had been unfaithful, she told Coral Springs police detectives after her arrest Sunday. It led to a breakdown of their marriage, frequent heated altercations and sleeping in different rooms. She did not trust him and was at her wit's end with his lies and deceit, an arrest report revealed. On Saturday night, her husband spontaneously announced he was leaving to go to Port St. Lucie with his friends. Malcom believed he was lying and was going to see someone else. A nearly hour-long argument erupted. In her rage, the report read, she grabbed a gun and shot him multiple times. She couldn't remember how many rounds she let off. 2 young boys in the home, believed to be their sons, heard the commotion and came to see what happened. One was eating Chinese food in his room across the hall listening to music. Meanwhile, the other was sitting in the living room. Coming to investigate at different times, one saw Malcom with a gun in her hand and spotted the husband bleeding from his shoulder. The other boy heard the man scream and noticed blood spattered on the wall. She told them to leave and close the door. One of the boys rushed downstairs to call 911. Malcom said she contemplated killing herself after her husband died from his wounds. But she told detectives that something he said in his final moments made her stop thinking about suicide and shoot him a final time. Coral Springs police was already outside the home Saturday when they heard the final shot. Officers ordered everyone to come outside. After sweeping the home, they found the husband dead. Malcom was charged with first premeditated murder and remains in the Broward jail as of Thursday evening.
Don't know, Star. I want the cool. I want the cooler than ice, man. Imagine, she shoot the man already, you know, people, and the man must have said something to her, and she just decides, say, listen, whatever you say, it hot, you know. That one there hurt me, you know, me just done, you know. So she just done the man right there, so, you know, people. So after she done the man right there, so, you know, she just decides, say, listen, me now better kill myself. That one there cool, you know. Yeah, man. What do you think about that? I mean, unfortunately for the victim, like me say, you know, condolences to the family, but the victim is a man by the name of Rohan Malcom, and he's from Jamaica, and yes, you know, hearing this story, it does make me say, boy, you know, you come out foreign, you know what happened to you, you know, people, you know, but now I say, allegedly he was cheating on his wife, but that's not a reason to go and murder someone now. You know, I better want to get a divorce and want to try if it cut up the property, take care of the pitney them, co-parenting. There's so many ways to live your life after that situation there. You know, to take up a weapon there and take someone's life is just a really unfortunate thing to do, and she a go waste for her life, you know. You don't know, so she a go get locked up probably for the rest of her life, and the kids them are going to suffer. And this happen time and time again. And a time for people start to wise up now and start thinking differently. Things that we can just, you know, don't take things so personal. You know, just take a breather, you know, deep breaths in and out, and then you figure it out. There's always tomorrow. One thing about that story there. One thing say she just did. You think that she justify? First of all, she can't be justified for do that. But me know say one can't say you know probably she just did frustrated. But boy, me not even know if it's about that one. Yeah, that one that does lick people for 6. Cause a woman does, you know, expect a woman to just be so cool, but when it reach to a level where emotions run high, you just never know what the results may be. But more hear on opinion, on put on opinion and put on comments them in the comment section below, and we talk about this at a later time. But on a big up on yourself, big up all the subscribers them, and big up all the viewers them. Like me tell you all the time, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Alright? And I'm out.